You have seen ice cream before, but have you ever tasted the Ghana flag? Have you? No, I bet you haven't tasted the Ghana flag ice cream. Let me show you how to do this and the best way to taste it. Okay, let's get started by putting in some milk powder into our bowl. You can use milk. I'm dissolving that with some warm water. We want to use warm water to dissolve it because it makes dissolving the milk powder very easy without having any lumps in them in it. So that is what we are going to do. Mix until combined and go in with some condensed milk. You can opt for sugar or honey if that is what you prefer as a sweetener. The condensed milk is serving as a sweetener here. I added my flavor of choice, which is vanilla. You can use any flavor of your choice. Mix until combined and now into three separate bowls. Just divide your milk into them just like this, and into the first one we'll add in some green food color. Mix until everything comes together. This is a lighter shade. If you want to go for this, just go ahead and use it. I wanted some more pigment, so I added in more color, and this is what I want to achieve because after this freeze it becomes a bit deeper. But if you use the lighter one, you get this color after it freezes. So I added in my yellow food color as well into my other milk. We divided them into three, and this is the color I wanted to attain, and I got that perfectly. I'm going to also set this aside after I mix everything and free it from the lumps. Just make sure everything is smooth just like this. Into the third bowl, I'm putting in my red food color. You want to mix this. You add the color until you get your perfect color. This is perfect for me, and it's free from lumps. Everything is just so good right here. Yes, so I'm going to set these also aside and now get ready to put them into my popsicle molds. You can use a popsicle mold or a cup just as you see right here. I'll pour my red color into the cup and I'll freeze it for about 2 to 3 hours. I'll bring it out of the freezer and I'll put in my yellow color. I'll take it back into the freezer for another 2 to 3 hours and put in my green color. I'll now freeze everything together for about 6 hours, and then this is what we have here. This looks good. You can just do it according to the color you prefer first, but because I'm a Ghanaian, I just wanted to do my red, gold, green, just as you see right here. I hope that this video helps you and you try this and get back to me. All the detailed instructions will be in the description, so do well to refer to the description and get all the details you need to make this. You have the measurements, and then anything at all you don't understand, do not hesitate to comment that, and then I'll respond to you. I always respond to my comments, so don't hesitate to ask any question at all in the comment section. Okay, I would see you. Do not forget to follow me on my other social media platforms, which will be linked also in the description. I'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe. Bye.